Let's make some thyme tea, okay? So I got some water over here, and I am going to pour this in here. There we go. Nice and warm. I'm gonna put some thyme in here. You can do less, you can do more. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna let this kind of like steep a little bit. I'm gonna let this do its thing, right? You can actually put Total Immune in your thyme tea. Now there's thyme in Total Immune. Keep that feather in your cap so you know. Double whammy. I want to make sure this thing just gets used properly. You can use it where you're going directly in the mouth. That's how I take it all the time. But if I have an opportunity and I could make a thyme tea like this, a fresh one, I'm going to pop it in there too. So let this steep a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of honey in there, and then I can put Total Immune in here. It's not that hot, it's starting to cool down. You don't want it boiling because there is an efficacy, the medicinals, the phytochemical compounds, all of it. You don't wanna boil this. Vimergy is the company. You guys know I endorse these guys. I'm not the owner. I don't own a percentage of the company, but they are the best of the best of the best of the best. And what they use, the mullein and the thyme, they grow it themselves so they can watch the process, so they can see it, so they have first-hand accountability. It's very important to know how it works. Now I'm gonna drop a couple of dropperfuls in here, all right? And there you go. Now if I felt something coming on, if I burn the candle at both ends like I do, and then end up like, wow, you know, now I'm exposed or something, so what I'll do is I'll do it this way right here. Wow, that's so good too. A healing weapon I would never go without.
Природник е официален и ексклузивен дистрибутор на Vimergy за България, Гърция и Румъния. Всички препоръчани от Антони Уилям хранителни добавки на Vimergy можете да откриете на природник.com. Природник е носител на наградата Дистрибутор на годината от Международната конференция на Vimergy 2025